In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage social media and content with Monday.com. Whether you're a small business owner or part of a large organization, having an efficient system for managing your social media content can make all the difference. Monday.com offers a seamless way to streamline your content planning and ensure nothing falls through the cracks. So let's dive in and explore how to set this up. First, you'll want to head over to the Monday.com website. This is your starting point, so make sure you're on the right page. Next, find the login option on the home page. It's typically located at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking there will bring you to the next crucial step in our process. Once you've landed on the login page, you'll want to log in using your Google account. This option is both convenient and secure, allowing for easy access without the hassle of remembering yet another password. Simply click the Google option and select your desired Google account from the list of available options. It's an easy, time-saving way to get started. Now that you're logged into Monday.com, look over to the left panel. Here, you'll find a plus icon, which is your go-to for adding new elements to your dashboard. Clicking this will open up various options for constructing your workspace. The next step is to explore the Template Center, a treasure trove of pre-designed workflows and boards tailor-made for different functions. Clicking on Template Center will direct you to a wide array of templates. This is a real game changer for anyone looking to speed up their setup process without starting from scratch. Within the Template Center, you'll want to use the search bar to type in social media. This will bring up all the relevant templates designed to help you manage your social media content efficiently. A targeted search like this lets you quickly find exactly what you need. Once you've found the Social Media Planner template, click on it. This template offers a structured format for organizing your content calendar, tracking posts, and managing deadlines. It's designed to make your workflow more intuitive and efficient. After clicking on the Social Media Planner, you'll be prompted to select it a second time for confirmation. This ensures that you're choosing the best tool for your needs and prepares your workspace with the right structure. Finally, hit the Use Template button. This action will integrate the chosen template into your Monday.com account, populating your workspace with all the necessary tools and features to kickstart your social media management process. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully set up a comprehensive social media management system within Monday.com. Remember, the key is to explore the provided tools and resources to tailor them to your specific needs. Thank you for watching, and happy planning.